After seeing this video, you'll understand how to use Google searches to quickly earn $1,200 a day. Today, we're going to make money via the website mindsumo.com. They provide you this sum simply for approving each offer. A few $100 or tens of thousands of dollars may be offered. When you visit the website's main page, which is where you'll find them, you may observe the numerous renowned businesses that utilize it. You may view them for yourself on the screen. There is a large list of additional businesses among them, such as Pepsi, Avon, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Nestle, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Adidas, and Facebook. In this approach, the top 5 responses get $1,000. The following 7.5% will get $400, while the following 12.5% will get $200. It's still worthwhile for something you can simply look for even if you only make $200 here. On Google without doing any effort at all, then submit. Registration on the website is required because $200 is a big amount of money. Simply click Login Sign Up in the top right corner to get started. You can then sign in with Facebook or Twitter or by entering your email address and password. I suggest against doing so. It would be far better to just create a new account. You can get to this page by just clicking Don't have an account. Name and last name, place of residence, email address, date of birth, gender, and technical, marketing, and creative abilities. Although they will ask you to select all of them, resist the urge. You should only select the last 3 options here that ask you to accept the terms and conditions, because choosing the first 3 will sign you up for a newsletter, which you do not want. It is possible to enter a person's first name, last name, location, and nation without taking into account their ancestry. Enter your email address, birthday, gender, and password. You should choose high proficiency under the category of creativity, marketing, and technical skills. Click those options. You should see only one choice for each. After completing all other fields, just click I'm not a robot and sign up. They have a deadline, as you can see when you get to this page. If you select this option here where it says all on the website, it will display complete when the option has been finished. The ones that are reviewing are those that have already closed and are looking through the responses. Closing soon refers to items that will close soon and have plenty of time left. For example, this item has 3 days left and will display closing soon. All you have to do is click on the one you want to take. Leave this website for a bit once you arrive at it, since we need to look for solutions. They clearly desire this, so we'll look for a solution on Google. Your response will be larger the better it is. Simply copying and pasting this into Google will do. As you can see, that was the first result to display, therefore I'm just going to open this website. Although most people surely do choose just one, you are not forced to. If you wish, select a variety of articles. The next step is to save it as a PDF and upload it to the website. Google Docs can be used to integrate them, and I'll show you how to accomplish that as well. Let's do this right. I'm simply going to replicate this one section of the first article one came upon. They only need the results, they don't need the whole article, so I'll only copy this and this. Make sure you only copy the most effective portions. I'm just sort of duplicating everything right now, but when you do this, pay close attention to read everything to see how well it functions. Copy it, then paste it into your Google Doc by going to docs.google.com. The one I want to click is this one. I'll make copies of this and this as well. After scrolling down on my doc, I'll paste it here. You can save the file by going to your Google Drive account. If you use Gmail, you already have a Google Drive account. If you don't already have a Gmail account, just go to gmail.com to create one. Simply select a username and create a new Gmail account to get going. Once you're done, upload the downloaded PDF using the steps below. Just drag it there, and it will be posted to your Google Drive account. Once it has been uploaded, use the right-click menu to choose Share to get a link to it. Click Share to eliminate the restricted option. If you leave it in this format, the person who clicks on the link won't be able to view the file. Click this and then anyone with the link to make it visible to anyone who clicks on the link. After copying the link from this page, return to MindSumo and paste it. Because this new account I created is brand new, they aren't giving me the option, so we'll just duplicate everything. Once you have submitted enough articles to them, they will allow you to paste the link. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel.